What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back here to bring you guys another midweek video. And there's only one thing I want to talk about right now, and that is obviously SHIBA INU, ticker symbol SHIB, also known as SHIB. If you look at this cryptocurrency, yes, we're talking about cryptocurrencies today. Over the past day, it's up over 60%. Over the past 7 days, just check the chart on here. It was from 0.00028 up to highs of 0.0008685 today, almost 0.00090. And just over the past month, if you had invested in SHIBA at the beginning of October and held until now, you would have got 10 times your money back. So to put that into perspective, if you had put in $100, you'd now have 10K. Sorry, horrible maths. If you put in $100, you now have 1K right after 3 weeks. If you put in $5,000, you would now have $50,000. So, look, we're in a period of time where lots of people are becoming wealthy or making crazy gains off things like Dogecoin, things like SHIBA, I guess options trading, meme stocks, these kind of things. And quite frankly, if you're not a part of this, you should be looking into it. I didn't say if you're not part of it, you should buy SHIBA. No, if you're not a part of it, you should be looking into it. Now, there was rumors earlier that SHIBA had surpassed Dogecoin, had flipped Dogecoin, but I'm still seeing SHIBA as ranked number 11. So if we go to check the top, we'll see Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Tether, and no. So it looks like Dogecoin is still just slightly above SHIBA. But look at this. Over the past 7 days, up 167.87%, 168%. And over the past 24 hours, up 62%. Now, I know a lot of people are buying SHIBA. I know a lot of people who have been buying SHIBA throughout the year. What I want to say is, make sure you guys are setting some stop losses just in case this thing dumps, because I've been in SHIBA since I think around April, May. I bought it a couple of times, and there was a period when it dumped off and I was then holding it back. Now I'm up again at least 3 or 4 times. No, at least 3 times. So at least 300% in SHIBA. And I just want to remind you, this thing can dump off quickly. It's happened to me before, and this time I'm not going to get caught holding the bag. I'm telling you guys, I'm very excited because, look, with SHIBA, this is what I want you guys to look out for. You see here it has those 4 zeros. If we get to the point where SHIBA goes to 0.000 and then 100 instead of 74, I think a lot of FOMO is going to kick in and a lot of people are going to start buying this. The hype is building up. You know, people are saying, can it reach a penny? You know, if it reaches a penny, I know so many people are going to become millionaires, this and that. But, I mean, I don't see it reaching a penny anytime this year, of course. But again, Dogecoin was less than a penny, and lots of people said it would never reach 10 cents. It reached, what, 72 cents? Let's have a look. What did Dogecoin reach? May 7th, I believe, it reaches its highest. Because this is just what you want to note down. You know, people say, SHIBA can't reach a penny or half a penny, will never do that. Well, a lot of crazier things have happened. Dogecoin reached 69 cents. I think it was actually around 72 cents. But that's still huge gains over the past year. And again, I want to remind you, SHIBA is in a not a similar situation to where Dogecoin was a few months ago, no. But Dogecoin was once way less than a penny before it's now comfortably sitting at 24 cents. So do remember that. Wow, I'm still shocked at the amount of momentum SHIBA has gained today. I just did not expect this quickly. I mean, I heard that Coinbase was down. People were struggling to place orders on Coinbase for SHIBA. This is the same thing that happened with Dogecoin earlier this year, if you remember when it was popping off. I know SHIBA Army is going strong on social media right now. These are the different exchanges where you can see what's been happening with SHIBA on their platforms. I mean, wow, what a time we live in, let's be honest. What a time we live in. Some people are calling SHIBA the Doge killer. I mean, I don't know. I don't really know if it's the Doge killer, but if you just have a look on Google just to find some things, Shiba hits new price record as Robinhood petition gains popularity. Now that would really kick it off. If Shiba got listed on Robinhood, oh wow, then it would really kick off. Trust me, we could see Shiba at a penny within the next year or so if that was the case. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised. Shiba flipped Doge. Well, actually, we just checked together that was not the case. Shiba on the doorstep of crypto top 10 while major tokens struggle. Yep, Shiba's getting closer to the top 10. That is true. So Shiba, the release was actually only August 2020. I thought it was about a 5-year project. That's, I guess, not the case. Again, yeah, you can just look at some random articles on Google, YouTube, find out what's going on with Shiba before you invest in it. Of course, if you're gonna invest money you don't care about losing, then by all means go ahead. But if you're really thinking about putting in that money that you're seeing on social media, for example, I saw somebody who put in about 9K in Shiba and it turned to over 70K. Yes, that is life changing. But if you're trying to do that kind of thing, you probably want to do more research because you want to know when to buy it and you need to know what you're buying. To be honest, will Shiba surpass Dogecoin? Shiba versus Dogecoin? Well, yeah, that was also what I was mentioning, right? Shiba, well, is Shiba really, is it Shiba or Dogecoin? Does it have to be one or the other, or can it be both? Can it be Shiba runs and then Dogecoin starts to run too? Can it be Dogecoin runs and then Shiba starts to rise too? I mean, I don't see how it has to be one or the other, and I don't see how they're against each other. But let's see. Shiba is a token that aspires to be an Ethereum-based alternative to Dogecoin, the popular meme coin. Okay, this might be why they're against each other then. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with Coinbase today, but yeah, when they say in the about section, it says it's literally an Ethereum-based alternative to Dogecoin. So that is interesting. I mean, yeah, just do your research. Shiba, unlike Doge, is compatible with the Ethereum ecosystem. Yeah, okay. Well, Shiba has been on the rise this past week. We know that, and this is how many Shiba are circulating in the supply right now. I think with stuff like Dogecoin, they keep producing more, and there's also like an unlimited supply or something, so that doesn't help the coin at all. But honestly, yeah, that's pretty much what I'm talking about today. We have time for a little bit of some stock movement from today. We can just analyze SPY, which had a really good start today, and then sort of during the last hour and a half of market, so it was like puts, and then it's slightly up after hours. Yeah, it was really puts after about I think 2:30 p.m. Eastern time. And as you guys know, this week Tesla hit 1,000 and then ripped up towards I think 1,072, something like that yesterday. So it is cool to see a lot of money being made. I've seen some life-changing money. Oh, Tesla almost hit 1,100 this week actually. Got all highs up of 1,092. But it's cool to see people making life-changing money with stocks like Tesla, with cryptos like Shiba, all that kind of stuff. I'm very interested to see how the market pans out tomorrow. I'm super interested to see how Shiba continues to run or whether it pulls back now or if it dumps. Remember, it can sell off hard. But yeah, it's been a very interesting day once again. We're still hanging out on the Discord, so make sure you guys come and tune in. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, comment on the channel. Let me know your thoughts on the video. Let me know your thoughts on Shiba. Can this become a penny or even half a penny? That would be unbelievable. That'd be ridiculous for us. I do want to remind you guys, you may have seen this meme. When Shiba hits 1 cent, please limit yourself to only one Lambo. That way there will be enough Lambos for everybody. So please, again, yes, only one Lambo each when Shiba eventually does hit 1 cent. And we can all go to Miami for a yacht party together. That'd be great. But Shiba Army, let me know your comments in the comment section. Let me know if you're still holding, how long you're going to hold for, how much you're up. Then we can all go and get our Lambos. But make sure you guys only have one Lambo at a time. Don't buy all the Lambos before we can all get to them. But yeah, please do check out the Discord. Please check out the Stock Option Starter Pack. And overall, make sure that you guys drop some feedback on this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Again, once again, like, comment, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you guys next time for another video. Peace.
Game over.